So the technique we're going to work on now is Meia Lua De Compasso. This is my favorite capoeira technique. It's, in my opinion, the fastest spin kick you can throw because your center of gravity is lower. And there's a lot of misconceptions about this kick that we're going to put to rest. If you're going to throw a spinning heel kick, spinning hook kick, and you're just going to put your hand down at the end, there's no point. This kick is performed differently. So, our center of gravity is low. We're going to step over. Now as I'm stepping, I'm looking at my opponent the entire time, from over to under my shoulder, to around between my legs. Now it's the torque here that creates the power, okay? And this is a unique technique because you're actually throwing it from back facing. So as I'm looking between my legs, this hand comes over, this hand covers my face. So as I'm coming over, the hip is swinging around like the handle of a whip, and my heel is the end of the whip. Coming over. Okay, we're going to have Brittany demonstrate the move now, step by step. Now, one important thing to remember is you're pivoting on the ball of your foot. This is something I forgot to say, very important. When you finally throw the kick, you're pivoting on the ball of your foot, not the heel. So, step over, low center of gravity, step over, shoulder width, looking the entire time. Down now. Now through. Your hand up, exactly. Kick through. That's the motion, exactly. And now try one more time. You want to come over here? And I want you to let your hip do the work. Your hip is throwing the technique. Your hip is the main thing rolling over, and your hand, the tweaking of your hand and your body is letting that hip come over. Step it over, low center of gravity. That's it. Way better. Perfect. Now, the progress we just saw there was actually in real time because she's still working on this move. So it's perfect, and we're going to get there, so just keep practicing. So we're going to work on the application of the technique. I prefer this mainly as a counter. I do like the offensive version of this move. We'll get into that in a later segment episode. So I'm going to stand neutral. Now he's going to punch. I'm looking. There you go. So I'm just going with or going against, doesn't matter. Now, I really actually, as he just blocked like that, I love attacking there because this is just so much power, it's a break. I can go low. Okay. So another application of the technique, which is one of my favorites, a counter to a kick. Can I have you do a mid kick? See, that's it. I really recommend training this technique, and really be careful with your partner though.